My name is Dr. Shazib, and I recently has passed my PLAB 2 exam, and I joined Medestra Academy for that purpose. And today I'm gonna share my experience, how well Academy prepares you not only for the exam but also for the day-to-day patient management and how to interact with the patient in their daily life as well. So basically, I joined the Medestra Academy 1 month before my exam in person. I attended their online course as well before going to the academy in person in Manchester, UK. So the comprehensive course was really well, and it guided me throughout my way. So I attended it online, and then I went to the academy. In the academy, I would like to say that Medestra acts like, you can judge from my smile when I talk about Medestra, because Medestra is like it's like a family. I basically meet very great people there: Dr. Saravan, Dr. Tukir Abasawan, and Dr. Mubashir. So, coming back to the academy, I would like to say that the Medestra Academy has all the facilities which are necessary to prepare you for the exam stress. Their mocks are very good. They have very good simulators, and they have British speaking simulators which closely mimics the quality of the exam. So, I would highly recommend you all, if you want to pass your exam in your first attempt, and somehow maybe if you are unlucky in your first attempt at any other academy, and if you want to pass it in the second attempt, then it would be a very good choice to join Medestra, because Medestra is somewhere which provides you all the facilities of good quality manikins, the METI, SIMman, everything there is wonderful. The mentors are very good. Supervised practice sessions are the best thing which Medestra has and no other academy has, because these are really good in conducting the supervised practice sessions in which they correct your mistakes, and they try to make you a very good confident candidate to appear in the exam. They don't give any kind of false hopes. They don't give any kind of negativities. The Medestra is always full of positivity, and believe me, when I went to the academy, I had a lot of negativities about the exam. But when I came out of the academy and when it was my exam day, I was very confident. I had only positivity in my mind about the exam. So, by the grace of Allah Almighty, I cleared my exam, and I wish all of you the best of luck, so that you can all join the best platform on earth for the PLAB 2 exam, which is Medestra, according to my opinion. And I believe if any one of you join Medestra, you would have the same opinion. So I would like to wish you all the very best luck with your exam, and you can always contact Medestra Academy for your exam preparations, because they are very good in conducting a lot of sessions and comprehensive sessions online, which you can join, and you can decide their quality of teaching is very well. So I would like to say that Dr. Sara, Dr. Tokir, and Dr. Mubashir, and a lot of other mentors are very good there. So if you want to clear your exam, you should go with the best one, and you should not waste your money anywhere else. Try to at least go to the academy 1 month before the exam, so that you can have a very good knowledge and a very good confidence about your exam. Thank you so much.